Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to talk about integers. Well, integers are actually pretty simple inside of Python. Both integers and floats are going to be um, can be utilized to make these functionalities down here. The main difference is that if you want to multiply an integer by a float, you got to make sure that you cast that integer into a float value first. So here's a couple of examples of what integers are. We have both positive and negative values. They're still considered integers, right? And here we can see how we would apply a couple of these mathematical operations. So we have the regular addition of 10 plus 3. That would work just fine. Here we have the subtraction of 10 minus 3, or I guess we could use the variables here. Let's do x minus y. Then we have x times y, which is for multiplication. Notice that the multiplication value is just the asterisk symbol or the star, which is shift 8 on your keyboard. Then we have the division, which is just a slash. And we have something called floor division. So you'll notice the difference of the output here. In division, we have 3.33, which is just a regular division. That 3 will go on forever. And then we have floor division, where it's only the number 3. What it's going to do is it's going to round down the result of this mathematical operation. And we do floor division by just having a double slash. Finally, we have modulus. So modulus just stands for remainder, right? So we can do x modulus, which is the percentage sign, y. So 3 goes into 10 3 times and leaves 1 as a remainder, so it returns 1. And then we have exponents, which exponents is just double of the star sign or the asterisk. We have y. All right, so now let's go ahead and execute our code here. We're going to execute our code utilizing Python 3 for 2.2 integers. And there we can see our results for each one of these mathematical operations. And that is it for integers. Thank you so much, everyone. Please make sure you conduct the exercise and try to do a couple of stretch exercises as well as far as conversion working with floats before you move on into the next module. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you shortly.